Hey, this is Harmon with Beast Plumbing and Septic. Another question that our customers ask is how much cover soil or soil is needed for a septic tank install. It really depends on the jurisdiction that you're in, but typically it's a foot. It can range up from 6 inches to 24 inches depending on the jurisdiction. The type of material that you use on top of this tank, it really matters. You really want to get something more with less rocks in it, right? Less rocks so you don't damage any of the components on top of the tank. As you can see, all the stuff that's running on top of this tank, you don't want to put a big rock here and crush a pipe, right? And of course, you want to at least cover these tanks all the way up to these risers, right? Make the cover soil at least to the risers so they have nice access to the tanks. And typically we set that with, the grade of the yard. If you guys are in need of getting a septic install, make sure to give us a call. Beast Plumbing and Septic will make sure to get you guys all taken care of.